Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your State Farm insurance. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you can cancel your State Farm insurance by you can select following these two methods. The first method you can see cancel by phone or cancel by in person. Okay, so you can call your State Farm agent and then you can explain like why you want to cancel your insurance, and they will cancel your insurance and they will guide you, a proper guidance they will provide you. And how you can find your agent, so basically what you have to do, you need to visit on this page. I will provide you this link in our video description box. Once you are on this page, you need to scroll down and you will see contact your agent to change or cancel your policy. You need to enter your zip code and then you can find your agent and they will also provide you a number. Okay, and if we talk about like the second method, that is for cancel in person. Okay, so basically you need to visit on your nearest office and then you need to provide your name, address, each and everything, and you can say like provide them in for insurance details. If you sold your vehicle, provide a proof of plate voucher for a billing or safe. So then you can also cancel your insurance by talking to their nearest State Farm office. Okay, so by using these two methods you can cancel your insurance of State Farm. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.